The purpose of purification is to remove all the karma that you have collected that will obstruct you, stop you, pervert you into thinking that Dharma is bad. All the negative karma that will make you believe that negative actions bring happiness. All the negative karma that makes you lazy, slow, unhappy, low self-esteem, angry, selfish, bitter, and that hangs on to the past. So when you do purification practice, it can be Vajrasattva, it can be 35 Confessional Buddhas, 100,000 times minimum. You will feel an explosion. Your mind will explode, and it will explode into colors of compassion and wisdom and understanding and acceptance of who you are and your level, and that you can move forward. So to do the purification practice will bring you closer, higher, and more ready for the most powerful person in the world. And that is Vajrayogini, or any tantric practice.